In this video, I'll guide you through how to customize your Steam profile theme color. Personalizing your Steam profile is a great way to make it stand out and reflect your own style. Whether you prefer a clean and minimal look or something more colorful and game-themed, Steam provides several customization options that are easy to access. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can update your profile's appearance in just a few minutes. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. It's a good idea to make sure you're running the latest version of Steam so you have access to the newest features and customization options. Once the application is opened, locate the Login button near the top right corner if you aren't already signed in. Enter your account name and password, then click Sign In. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the password recovery option before continuing. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage. From here, look toward the upper right corner and click on your profile name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Select View My Profile to open your personal profile page. This is where all of your profile information, achievements, and customization settings can be managed. At the top of your profile page, click the Edit Profile button. This opens a menu containing several categories that allow you to personalize different parts of your Steam profile. On the left-hand side, locate and select the Theme tab. This section contains the available profile theme colors that you can apply to your account. Take a moment to browse through the different color options. Each one gives your profile a slightly different appearance, so feel free to choose the one that best matches your personality, favorite games, or overall aesthetic. Once you've found the theme color you like, simply click on it to select it. Before leaving the page, be sure to click the Save button. Saving your changes ensures that your new profile theme is applied and visible whenever someone visits your Steam profile. If you'd like even more customization options, return to the profile editing page and open the Steam Points shop. Here you'll find additional profile content that can be unlocked using Steam points earned from eligible purchases. Browse through the available game profiles by selecting All Game Profiles and then choosing See All to explore the full collection. Steam regularly updates these options with new themes and profile items, so it's worth checking back from time to time. And that's all there is to it. Your Steam profile now has a fresh new look that better reflects your personal style. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your Steam profile.